Here's how to export videos in CapCut PC without Pro. Start by selecting everything in your timeline. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Now select the compound clip, then go to the video settings. Scroll down and enable motion blur, then set it to 0. Wait for the process to complete. Next, go to the top left corner, click Menu, then Open Settings. Here you will see the file location where your project is saved. Go back and open Settings again. Then click Change Location so you can copy the project path. Copy that location from File Explorer. Now open the Run program on your computer and paste the copied location. This will open the folder. Find your project folder and open it. Then go to Resources, and then open Video.org. Inside this folder, you will find your video file. And that's it. Your video is exported without Pro. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more simple and straight-to-the-point tutorials.